guys, welcome back to This, here sisters. This is Shrija here. So today I'm going to show you how to make amazing dark and white chocolates. So let's get right in the video and let's make it. So first of all, you are going to need a bar of dark chocolate and a bar of white chocolate. So first of all, I'm going to cut them into pieces. So I have cut them. Now I'm going to take a double boiler and melt all the chocolate in. Then I'm gonna put them in the molds. So these are of different shapes that I have put my chocolate in the molds, and now I'm gonna put it in the freezer. So I have melted some white chocolate, that is only white. I have not mixed any dark chocolate. So then I'm gonna put it in different molds. So in this ones, I'm gonna make different flavors. I'm gonna make like dark chocolate and white chocolate different. Then I'm gonna make a blue chocolate by adding food coloring. This is the first time I'm trying a different color chocolate, so this looks messy, but afterwards it will taste awesome and look awesome. So here are my chocolates ready to eat. These look amazing, guys. So that is the blue chocolate which I made, and it looked so awesome. Like from dark to light, it looks so awesome. And then we have this the chocolate, dark chocolate and white chocolate. Then we have these dark chocolate ones in different shapes, and that was my favorite. Then I also added some coconuts in one of my chocolates, and that is this. It tastes awesome. Then I also added an almond. I don't like almond in chocolates, but I tried one. It tastes good. That was my favorite one. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to This, here sisters. And also tell me in the comment section down below whether you liked this video or not, and tell me. So thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.